especially like as women, we struggle a lot in that area. A lot of people, and especially with this audience, like postpartum, learning to love our bodies in different stages of life as well. I know we wanted to talk a lot about body positivity. And first, I know there's a lot of misinformation out there about what body positivity is or means. So, first, can we kind of cover like what it is for those listening that do not know?
Sure. Yeah, it's a movement that has been a little bit, in my opinion, co-opted by, well, the makeup industry, like basically industries that maybe should stay out of it.
Mhm.
But it started out as more of a body liberation idea of like all bodies are important and fat bodies are worthy and important too. And it sort of got like over time with social media co-opted into sort of looking like body positivity is loving the appearance of your body. And you'd see people who were very thin, like sort of pushing their stomachs together to make like a small roll and saying like, if I can love myself, so can you, which is important. I think that has a place for the person if that's helpful, but it sort of takes away from the spirit of the whole thing, which is more about body liberation, centering like the most marginalized bodies and moving towards neutrality in terms of appearance and past appearance, if that makes sense, and just kind of like freedom for all bodies rather than anything appearance based.
Mm. So, is it more like how we speak or not speak about our bodies and just like more of like a like accepting or like appreciating kind of way versus like size?
Yeah, I view it that way. And there's a ton of different opinions. And I know there are people who break down like body liberation, body acceptance, body neutrality, body positivity. Like there's kind of different nuances and all of the definitions. But I view it as moving past appearance and more towards, and appearance is great. If you can like love your appearance, the outside, then that's awesome too. But moving more towards appreciation, if that's possible, and functionality, like appreciating that. And then also just overall understanding that your body is kind of your, I think it was Glennon Doyle who says it's like your paintbrush rather than your
Mhm.
canvas. Like it's not,
Mm.
it doesn't need to be your masterpiece. Your life is your masterpiece. So respecting your paintbrush, but also honoring the idea that your life is what's important. Because at the end of the day, if we have the privilege of aging, society at some point or another, society is going to deem our bodies not worthy because we're in a
Mm.
very ageist society. So
Mm.
trying to hold on to like weight or like appearance or youth, it all is very like fleeting and panic inducing. So I think of body positivity and body liberation as like seeing past all that.